Once upon a time, the deer was pregnant. He was feeling labor pain. It was the evening time, and the forest had covered with black cloud. Due to the black cloud, lightning had fallen into the forest, and the jungle had catch the fire. Due to the fire, deer had to leave her house to give the birth of his baby to the safe place. Then he ran to the river side. When he reached the river, he had saw his picture in the river. Anxiety was also visible on her face. Meanwhile, he had heard the sound. When he come back, he saw a hunter aiming toward him with arrow. Deer was already very nervous. When he saw the hunter, he became more nervous and he thought that we should run away from here. When he saw his right side, he became more anxiety due to the presence of lion. Death was all around her. The deer looked all around. The hunter was one side and the lion to the other side, and the fire to the third, and the river to the fourth side. If he wanted to come back, there was the fire in jungle. There was the fire in the forest, and if he wanted to run away to the left side, there was hunter, and if he wanted to the right side, there was a furious lion, and if he wanted to run away to the river side, the river was very deep and full of crocodile. Go wisely and slowly. Go wisely and slowly. Those who rush stumble and fall. दानिशमंदी और आहिस्ता से चलें, क्योंकि जो लोग रश लगाते हैं वो लड़खड़ा जाते हैं और गिर जाते हैं. I promise I hold you as long as I live, and I promise I love you as long as I live. Do a million good things, nobody will care you, and commit a single mistake, every day will judge you. Mind once stretched by new idea never return to its original dimension. Death was all around her. There was no way to run away. So the deer think hard. Then the deer thought herself that death is certain. So why be afraid? Why should not be die with dignity? Then he calmed down and started drinking water. During this, due to the sound and light of the electricity, the hunter saw strong lightning sound in the sky. Hunter hand trembled due to the strong lightning. He missed his target. His arrow hit the lion, and the furious lion got injured. His eyes fell on the hunter. The lion attacked the hunter and started running toward him. The hunter started running to save his life and the lion following him. Due to lightning, it started raining heavily and the forest fire was extinguished. After drinking water, as soon as the deer raised his mouth, he saw that there is no hunter nor lion, and the forest fire was extinguished. And the deer did not waste his time. She went to there and give the birth of her three sons. We see in our life there is a time when we feel we surrounded from difficulty from all the sides, and the person who does not afraid in such time and have hope to face this problem became success in life. At last, don't forget to see, subscribe and press the bell icon on my YouTube channel, Indie Boy.